Yes, so I dey salute everybody. I dey greet all the country people. Them today, the number 26th day inside the month of March 2021. We are the come live today again. I know since I did live today. When I know wetin dey happen. Amber boy dey talk say Amber supporter dey really dey benefit. Look at that Balok picking again. That Balok boy. And that Balok boy that again. They very similar to us at the can like at the belle it's chakara when inside so kind of bad luck picking this how we do for any picking them will not see again so they cry so that person I share body I get some video where it come out for countryman even myself I'm surprised to see that video because this is the that video Sam Amber people when I forget when I leave them countryman now on a different level. So tell people talk say, how countryman do get all the video them? I didn't get all the kind of thing there. Why being a first man? When I pay for understand be when they compromise Amber boy, they take it phone now. They go through the phone, they see all kind of rubbish, all kind where they don't compromise people beheading, all those kind of things there. But I think say wait. Must have been a person I share buttons and join me. My fair play our beautiful anthem before we go for the message today. Yes, I get some videos them for wake up for Amber Wall. We I get for use so one for educate them. Yes, I get to teach the boy that we're gonna fool they be. My personal share button. Yes, thank you very much, my country people them. And as I join me on a personal share button because today I get some video where I want expatiate on. Many of them don't see and where they don't post on most of our platform. They get some no not there for our platform where it come out from the Amber Wall with the so-called shit. So as you dey join me, press your share button. Yes, press your share button, my country people then. As you dey join me, press. We need more shares. As you can't press share button, we need more shares. Yes, before I go for the message proper today, I just want to say make some people they understand where to where it happen. But I want to use the one for tell every mommy, any papa, any sister, any brother, where you feel say you dey inside Northwest always your board will be there for the nonsense called Amber. But today it don't run there with you. You dey see keep it for your keeping. I get a message for una for tell una where to don't happen. Yes, I like for use something for educate others. Una remember some friend, my colleague be sunshine no find you. He don't surrender. He dey boya now as we talk me and you. He call me we talk yesterday. Now when I be sunshine, me I tell the bitter truth. That boy come out from Bamuso, he run. He can live for 8 dinner with his family. His family keep it. When he see anybody wey sabi, he run. When he hear so there for 8 dinner, he run. When he hear so a brother there was on side, he run. He just dey live that kind of life. He don't be for there for long and they talk with you for background, the story together. If family they persuade him that pikin no give up. Na pikin hear wetin dey. Na thing that I realize am. Na pikin hear the gospel story. Now from there where I look and say what I fit do for this boy. When this young man die, it go pains me a lot. I don't get nothing for gain. But at least it go help we too so that some space don't clear. Please go calm because some people must give up. So I look at what I fit do. Say more sunshiny boy. That was sunshine. If family see and say it don't bad. They tell you say no find you run. They no find you no only run He no running. He go high find he play high. Unfortunately, the ex-combatant for DDR Center for Boya, when they come up for Bamuso subdivision, they be the come up for go Bamuso. He called them for phone. They call say make come meet them for it. Now me no fear. He can come meet them. They take key like say the ex-combatant Bamuso they hold his hand, put it for inside boat. They go right for Bamuso for the main headquarter. They go meet deal. They hand it over. Say Papa now what are this? Wake up for surrender and take it. May save your own life. Una see how the cooperation there. You see how when the ex-commander they love their brother. Baby don't have a bush. Even he for see that one they for wrote if for fire for me they end their life. It was in a black lemon they kill them. But it is shows that the one they don't resign, they be a change people. They don't transform their life. They see that brother because the car will go save your life. Then if family now they message me, not even know where the boy pass. If family message me, they ask me, say don't see no fanjo. I ask them say, when they ask me no fanjo, I be the keeper for no fanjo. I get my own life. Did it? I not be prison. Anybody live in life? I don't know what I did or no. Come out play with the camp for boya. Did it? I not be in prison. You get right for camp for they can't find your person. You find it. You go for they go find it. I say no, stop disturbing me. I watch the other one. He small boy again. When I people that contact me again, I see tell the very say me get out. I watch him tell me say if he that actually say why una wicked? Na question why I ask that boy. I say why una wicked the family? If they will kill that young man, now if some person will see. When nobody be don't hurt for that bush side for Mukoko village, he point hand say na amber that. They will shoot it through him. Now I want to ask you, my man, listen to me now. You feel they do that some good thing. We never waste that young man in life just like that because of our greediness and our wickedness. You see how we Anglophone wicked because we take some things the light. Operation Sunshine at the highest. Today they now they feel free. He call me my brother na high. Story I say the man no china idea. He say boss I don't feel understand you don't for me thank you. I for what type of no good reason. I see how people they be wicked. Then I want talk about you know you reply me. He be sending for God join the elite of bush. Yes to you reply me. When we say he be even get a brother for heart, but now then they keep it because he don't bat. Now that time when they pity fire road. Una say people the wicked. So many of the people today for dollar they live with their relative them. And many are telling us something they relative them. And Cameroon military they know very well. The bitter truth is if you go for any man in house, you catch any amber boy live for that family, you get right for arrest the whole that family for that house, send them for jail. That is the gospel truth. Because they be aware and they be happy, say maybe they are picking go commit evil, can she down with the hide. While with different people that own family, that picking go kill them. End their own life, me I can't feel free. No. Make them should understand the reality. When they meet up any amber boy with the sun shining or give up for either back work, for smuggling way, when I go take it. When I don't live, if it is stay with the sister, the brother, the cousin, when I get to arrest anybody, they hold that house, go lock up for prison. Because they are part and parcel, they are amber. Any good mommy, any good papa, any good person, where you have to keep it there Bamenda, maybe you don't run camp for Douala. He don't go Bafusam. He don't come Yaoundé for a day. We be an amber boy for bush. You get all right like the person where the reason for now. Not be 218 and 221 where all to see the reality today for me that every day. You get our number every day. Where if we help, we give you direction. You get all right to take that picking. We are hand. You carry go directly. With the right source may save your life. From there, if you come up with a camp for us, it be free. Why will we get? That's not the way it happen. I want to make a man know the reality what we do for background. So you say if we never teach our mentality, we will never live, we will never stop this suffering. And they come out and tell you what will happen, the reality for teach you now what will be happen. How people to be evil. Yes. If it's not me, I be that petit frère, that my auntie man who knows story me and you go stay for me and you talk because you want to kill me. Yes, you want to kill that young man, if you die, they will shoot you troubles to side if you die. If you not see life, they will get waiting. The potential wrong now, or the catch sending for life jail. You will feel how. Why some of you wicked? So that's not be happen for background. So I want to make an understand where it is. The reality on ground. And if you look for some family, they now they know where today, what the consequences. When if one come, when I'm a boy, if you know say that people they complain for that last video, that last audio, they don't go for the family. Your mommy they drive, so go. I'm a very bad thing. Their parent. They drive them. Then you, when you not relate with them, they should look the community. Not look the community. Give the internet, feel with the food. That's the reality. Pressure button. That's the reality. I want someone to understand what will go on. Some people they be wicked. But what one talk, when I go talk of our brothers, we not see that in that way they. That's in that way they because it's the benefit. You know if you tell me no reason why go carry person, you know say wait. As I there for you, I'm about to call me. We never give up. You say, you can shit on my corner. No one day. Before I shit on my corner, either I don't take you and the carry go now for the right source on you for go surrender the real way, or you there for that play, don't give up. Me, I will not fit story until you give up. If fit story na how you come out for bush camp for town. But we no fit come out for town, can meet up me. Do the work I mean I do to know what. That means I implicate to my own self. So I never change. That's the reality. If you harbor criminal for your play, be criminal. So they get right for arrest any family. Where I want to pass one up, maybe a year. Any family where you keep your picking because you're waiting, it don't commit atrocity. Then you feel they don't know a face. No, we know a face. Well, they come with the arrest plus you. When you watch me today, when they keep people, because waiting, it means that if you say go for bush, go kill people, can't give you money, where the chop. You are part and parcel for it. You will pay for it. Una know that the reality. That's what they happen. So una see the way it happen. Una know the truth. Una press share button. Yes, we will get a good number of people that watch live. I guess on one video come out for Amber Wall. As I be tell una, the video I get them where it come out from AMF. That's the one of AMF for inside Fuel Bakundu 218 to 219. Where we get the last meeting. There's 219. We get the last meeting for inside Fuel Bakundu. Una go see what I be tell una. The video don't post a bit. I want analyze that video. Misses are there for that video. Misses are there for that video. Una go see me. Put your iPhone, you go see am. Una press share button. Una press share button. Una press share button. Yes. Then I go first start with some other video where you come up with the so-called agent propaganda lies telling. Then I want use this video educate that poor boys because they are fools. They are fools. The empty gong gong. I want put on their head. I will insult people but you go watch me live. That's the reality. You know if you ignore me, so till you die, watch them. Then we'll talk. Then I will tell a lie when they for instance. Now watch them. Now take on a time, watch and press share button.
For the material we don't give we say mo find this war. I dey wanna talk and do we should talk. The tank una the material they give we you na team una hand say una pocket them. Plenty we see say no we dey fight the war. So I dey want thank una very much. I thank the ATF and the government and the governing council for their support. Say move fight this fight. Yeah. So for the people they talk say the ATF they take material for leadership them. I wanna say move put them to our prayers as we are about to talk. Yes. The material in this about ground one the material. So I don't want to thank you very much for the good work I do with simple about our homeland. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Natu. He said a common mention for whom. I just want someone to know. He said they block their face now. I want to show people they made them know the reality. When I see how they mark themselves, now some of them mark themselves. When I know why they mark themselves, because of the Operation Sunshine. Now I want the people them for whom. We need all those boys, their picture, their name, their information, their papa had their mommy house, everything about them. Send up my contact or country man. We need them. Now get my number here. I'll visit them again today. 681 60 26 76. 681 60 26 76. We need for sunshine them all that face. No way out. Now say they cover their face. Someone don't know that because waiting. They know that they do all atrocity. They run can live normal life for Douala Yaoundé Francophone zone where they class their enemy. Most of the day for that very video for that woman where they talk so today, the day the kind of Francophone zone can enjoy, kidnap money can enjoy. Now I get things that will make them want to know about that video. It's a ADF. Man, tell us something. I see get some video they forgot showing about ADF. ADF are the worst group for this ground. We don't ever exist. If you look at material for their hand, now I want to differentiate you now. Some other gun there for the way hold a boy for this side hold a black na kalash. We get rubber for your black. Nigeria no get kalash that kind kalash. No one day na Cameroon kalash. That kalash na Cameroon kalash. If you see Nigeria, if you know gun fine, then we Nigeria AK they different with Cameroon AK. We sense we are sell my eyes on a Cameroon AK and Nigeria AK. That gun for here na Cameroon AK kalash. Number two. I want to make them understand. See, he said they don't give them gun. They see monkey gun, Thompson, they for back. Now begin look at what happened. Now look at the population for the video. I just want someone to understand what we did. All the videos are propaganda and lies telling. Fat lie inside the video. I want to make them know the reality. And for push sense without picking their head. You see that what we talk for bank now, where they make noise. Now them the benefit for this thing. Now the people in that record, they say general commanders, the way they get power, where they chop money, they go kidnap, can't give them money. The only reason we make that video, now say diaspora with ground zero generals, commander them, they make their money. They use them. That one they will get a propaganda machine for them to make their money. They don't understand the game for diaspora. That is why you see them now. They use diaspora implementation for ground zero. Starting money from people to make their ends. Most of the equal ground one in Nigeria. They get comfortable houses for Nigeria, well equipped, well furnished. Their account don't high. Do you understand what they cry for now? Now just feel around they can't confess them. They cry, they suffer, they pass to make it behind. That one they too, they for that video, now fool them. They work slave for that one day. So that they rate that way they say that video. That video na fake. And which, now if you could have said they don't give you material, tell me go fight war. Look the kind of material for your hand. You want to go 5 minutes, you will get armor tank. You get kind gun, you get AK them. If you use that file, chain cut that whole, this kind of videos. Then number 2, you get how many bullets for your hand. Now I want to make you Amba boy now when you listen to me make that video. Oh, now for that video for men to una understand my teach, una lecture, una, and then for the other one that they around, una learn. Abuna pa, una listen and listen good, una there for bush. And you una free. Now I want you to understand something you there for bush. Some person buy gun, give you all of your hand, say go fight. It did diaspora. Say take and go fight. Say make defend homeland. Now I got to ask you some 2 questions. You defend which homeland? For 4 years today, you don't defend which homeland. If you tell me one man don't save them, when Amika no run. If you tell me one man, the only thing I be good at when I defend them, that person I go take my they put them down, whip them, cut them, collar, shoot them, translate black leg, collect their money, write letter. Now the only thing that they do for ground zero. Apart of that, nothing else. Raping, thief, raping, kidnapping for ransom. Now work that. Now if you tell me 1 minute people never take them. Now I don't want push sense for the Amba boy their hate. Man will buy gun give you, you appreciate them, say you gladly reduce some fighting. Why not buy you phone? Why not give you pen? Why not give you some money to start your life? If buying a gun give you now. There's a question where I want to make any Amba boy put up for you. Ask yourself. Now, NTF, ask yourself. Say, they give you gun. Yes, say me you fight. Very good. Fight. But ask yourself, which gain? What you don't put them in place for your life? They don't give you that gun to make you fight. Which insurance we don't give you for your life? No insurance. Think. Make drug not fool you. I want push. I don't like dinner on drug. Now brain don't tight. I want open and push sense. I go broke and push sense. I don't want that by power by force. Ask yourself, say waiting. It don't give you which insurance insure you for carry that gun. Number 2, if they shoot you, will take care for that wound. Which not be in place for that. You don't get hospital. You don't get nothing. Number 3. You there on whose salary? Where they go suffer, say you want fight. You say be soldier. According to you, be soldier. You get Machiko? The answer na no. Who sabi you? No man don't know you. Even the people they send you where the ATF, they call us, oh, they don't know you. Now I want to make look am very well. I don't want to go far. I want to call only ATF people will die. I want to call the overall for ATF. Today, no man will ever beat the record. Ibomba, we be the supreme. The all for ATF. You like an ATF fighter where you make that dirty video. Ask yourself a question. No one go far. Before I come for Burika Chacha. Now, Ibomba be died, the Kunkumaisi. The Kunkumaisi Ibomba, the killer. Ask yourself, say, what happened after when Ibomba died? Which benefits will he get them? Who think about it? Who think about a woman? Who think about a begin? Who think about a family? Ask yourself all these questions. If the Ibomba die, like general way, for the whole this struggle, it be pronounced and be recognized for all style. Then if it die like a chicken, no man don't think about them. Who be you, Skelewu? Who be you, a rata? Who don't even know you? You gotta go lock your face and for back. Now, door, you don't get a sense. For the 31st century to 2021, if you carry gun for your hand, you be the most dullest human being on earth I've ever seen. You be fool. Listen and listen good. You dull to the fort. 216, if you brainwash you. 218. Most say 290 manager, but 221. My brother think am. Some people dey that every day the sun with your eye. Now wait, now it means that you dull. It means that no, I not understand the human being. If you don't go, it means not every common sense. We want to talk about book. Ordinary common sense. With any might be mad man, no say the play no fine. The bygone give the glad. Do not put nothing for your front. Second question, they for ask them for diaspora. Papa, when they give you the guns more defend homeland. Una tell we how many of una don't die for this very thing? No one diaspora don't die. How many of una don't die? I don't see count them. Look at you again, you can say AJ, you can say fighter. Look Chacha for Bui massacre. 39 they die. If you tell me, if you ask me, most of the family of Africa never see their corpse. Today, the family don't even know that picking their life or they don't die. They don't know what happened with them. You never see where they bury them. They bury them alive. Amber versus Amber. And then you feel say be number who? Who think about them? Nobody. Think about your brother. Wait for your corner yesterday. Day before yesterday. Last week. Last month. 3 years back. For Saturday. Stand down like a fighter. Look around you. People that work out down from 217, 218, they don't die. What happened with them? Nothing. So you feel that you can make difference. You're not going to make no difference. You're just a fool. At least that people never know. Ivan Bar did it and then never be in existence. Yes. It be stupid. He died. Now you follow the very full step for Ivan Bar to go die. Are you normal? Are you normal? Check out, but I want to put sense for. I want to reason like people that they reason. This thing, like psychological warfare, brain trauma, all will be stupid like you. I not pass you, but I say wait, different than me, I don't reason. Say this thing a madness. I teach you now. If it hurt to come out to can do what I do, I will appreciate. I need more boys that can stand beside me. We continue to destroy the thing. We put our voice there. Come out. You get your amnesty. You be stupid. Just count what I don't tell you. Look at around you. Look Peter Pikin where he died yesterday. Look at woman where he live on Pikin. What did happen to woman and a Pikin? Ask yourself, she don't down. Use your brain, not your emotion. Ask yourself a question. Say, who be me? What did I do? See my friend don't die. What happened with you? Human the suffer, Pikin suffer. Now the same thing with you. When you listen to me now, will put sense for your head. Any man will buy a gun, give him a better man. If you look your age, Ayuba Cho is a youth. Tapam Ibo is a youth. Mark Barata is a youth. Paul Nilong na youth. Eriko na youth. They plenty other na youth. Why no if you can't pick that gun, calm down? Then the command of the diaspora can ride for Nigeria, but not be able to come out for ground zero. Ground one for Nigeria, come ground zero. Because wait, they just go fight. Now stone throw, why not if you come? Because wait, in knows in the last man stand because they use una like slave. Una be waiting, una be instrument for their success. When Ayuba Cho see una so una make video the glad because wait, it is in my money. If you capot the see una so una make video so it do it is glad it is in my money. All they see na their money, they look at their money, so they don't get no atom of feeling. After all, if you die, I'll get 20 million from my account. They wait to stop you for those million die. Go die. All I say wait to not ever get independent. He never capot and open water so there is no independent. Una forget about that. My brother now what is there for una hate. Now wait, una think up. You go die till you go, no man no think about you. Ask yourself all this question. When man tell you how brainwash you, no fear. Tell say papa no one day. I not go be an instrument for your own success. Why your own picking the benefit? They don't move all your brother for ground zero. They there for the time why man call country. Ask yourself, you know where you pick that gun. Ask Ayuba Cho. Ask whether they send us Ayuba Cho. If it me, I will be your blood brother. You for allow me for pick gun. May hear what you go talk. You know if you evergreen. If you don't struggle always, make your passport, make your visa, send you abroad, make and join you, shall struggle for your own life. But it just may pick gun enter because wait, you know, get no link with you. It's you like food, like normal guinea pig for use them anyhow. Trump. I mean, I tell you, Amber boy, tissue, toilet tissue, when they take and wipe she hole, try for toilet, it get used pass, it get used for them pass you, Amber boy. You don't get atom of feeling for you. That is the reality. And then they go far. Just take turn round. So look around people road die. You know what I tell you that the gospel truth. More una get sense. Make una. And they can't put sense for una hate. You don't need to abandon that thing you shake go you. The so-called commander they make that noise. If he go Nigeria, go live a good life, enjoy yourself. If they go back to, if they run past all man. Even the fake or they sheep where they talk to the carry for their skin. They can't give an okrika own. They take original. Lofo, But now they go Nigeria all time, they for ground zero, they suffer. So every day they suffer. My brother, now wait till they for 8. They never be youth. They never get country where they make noise for media, when they come on ground. They fight, not be now for media, now for ground zero. If you need independence, ask them, say, you say don't sacrifice. Now, as I'm they go and sacrifice no nothing. Are you about to sacrifice nothing? Even money, are you about to put 5 francs for this so-called amber? That's the reality. It live now on people their contribution for can't take and fool now why it live on. So mean wait, he don't get nothing for losses, he never sacrificed nothing. They do the kind of meter every day, so wait, he get money, they do fundraising. That's the truth. I never ever do fundraising, I never ever serve one day. So I don't get no benefit. Even the so go and they give me 5 francs. That's the reality. But the benefit, you know, if you talk about the contribution, contribute your money because wait, they fit for your money. Through this amber, if the amber not the guy, you but no go chop. It don't already save. If you say amber end today, don't save plenty money. At least he go start a life with time. Family go enjoy for the next how many years. But now he job that this amber nonsense, it dey fit fat for it. My brother, they use una to make their money. But una get sense. Ask yourself all these questions. You will still die, no one will think about you. All that son of it die for a group end. Check the 39 where they die to finish am. Una think about a massacre, Batibo massacre, first and second. What happen? So man bleed, they don't go to losses. That is the reality. Una put sense, I want put sense for una hate. Una forget all the propaganda them. You need pay, na madness. Or don't do all the game them. Una forget. Na nonsense. The man don't know where to be amber, none of it fighting it. People that will know on A to Z. Now, you just don't look and say, don't laugh, laugh. Real fighter, I'm not going to say something again. You see that video? Una there for whom now? May I tell now? Una time no long. You need to go wipe. Una better for here. Because you will see them. Una will see that their body anytime soon. You know why? Just that video don't make them. They ask me to use them to convince the people that they use them to support them, give their money. And then number 2, when they show other video, Cameroon military, our Gala military, when they be intelligent, they be trained, they work on top of that video, intelligence for that video. Give video come on, una don't show them una gun now. Una hold a normal AK, they will come fall. You don't see a gun, you don't know your capability, your level, your weight. How you carry, say, you be empty, then I normal AK. One, you don't get asset bullet. When one come in, they come with AK. You come with that Asgali or Mad Transis, they call say fall. That G3. I mean, sorry, G3. That G3 gun I call on one. Yes. Now you come with them. We put a chainsaw. We no fit up. They will brush all on down. Now they don't play on a day. They go develop interest for now. Say I'm not telling you. That's why they only use we. Through that video, they already sell you out. I'm not telling you the truth. Through that video, don't make us don't sell on all. But that's why we make money. See what boys them. I be tell you now. Say contribute your money. No, don't see her now. That's how they get their money. But you ground zero, Cameroon military, we just should until work until the program. Now I need the black leg for give we all detail about that boys and we'll wipe them off. Una get my number 681 60 26 76. Una give me the detail, una get a control, una get a number of Bokasam, or give me our bed to Joel, wipe other food. And every detail we get inside womb for Northwest. I tell una today, una chance it for save una self. We need all detailed information about all those rascals. For delete them, move them out of the way. They don't have to change. They don't deserve to stay. We need peace. For achieve peace, we need to wipe some people them out to achieve that peace. That is the reality. Take it from me. We need the people for whom now Operation Sunshine, all detailed information about them. Una blame. Any information get out, we blame, we send out for wipe other people. So una be one of the way to now the camp for una for whom una go hear people. Una go see what that's for ground. Una no stay. My way get sense I tell now. He go fight DTR. You will find police station, you will find army camp, you will find you will find Gio for whom go surrender, save your life. Take that dirty pipe, go get Gio. Come on for day, start your life. No get sense. Now yeah, una pressure about it. I'm here to teach them. Yes, una pressure. I need share where show me some love. I beg, una show me love. Because the people that show me love, una pressure button now, master. Una the share so the sweet my heart. Una pressure. Now, this video. Where I want play already see, I will play the video because I get plenty things for analyze and inside. More una know. Sam, me I tell you something. I see the video and Mrs. I wrap my hands so I'm confused. I ask him the Igbo say, Papa, how do you get the video? Sam, grand fair place there, I fear you. More leave him. That grand now, that boss. More leave him. Because the people them are giving us all the blood are giving a place there. Now, the video, our first time was on picture, I don't screenshot short them. More than say I'm very well. That is the pastor I became telling her yesterday, 90 so for here so. I mean, sorry, na in this. Na pass to this so. Na looking fine, na in this. I go show una time we start play. I want to show una one first. And then, good. Una see the mic cover my face now. I go show una for the video. See cover my face now. That mic cover my face. I be tell una say waiting. You say mic cover my face. Na Onyori Mokube that a mediator. Wait to be found for AMF. So I tell una say when he come for we for boys that front in the cover my face. Muna see am na in that. When I be the talk, una say Clovis is lie. I thank on Igwe, thank you. First we send the video. May God bless you. See, those say na in that. The cover my face. People that will be there, boss, they now will know you. When I look at, when I will see me too for there. Now I will show na me. When I country, when I look and find na me this so. Na me this so. When I look and na me this so. Na don't say no na me this. Look and find. Look at my strong head. Na in this so with the black so the one the white so na me this. When I country man this. Na gilet that so that black sister and so na gilet. Kona the petit very the blue chico so the one for here so na me this so. Na me that. When I country man that na me Clovis that. Okay na say na me that stand out so. I be wear gilet. The class say gun proof. Black, better Nigeria, gun proof. I be wear white this in my hand. That mean that so. So now begin pressure button. I want to talk about the video. Because I'll talk more about the video. The video very, very important, very fine video. Chat master, repay your place there, master. Chame, it be pa, more river. More river, yeah. It be pa. Now, I will play the video. Any man when he talk. Now we hear Keku, I will show the people the way. You don't know Keku, but I'll play more and I will call each and every divine be see their life here. Divine be see they alive for the daily video. I will tell you what happen for the video with small story. No, don't worry. Now I can't return now. Now I can't talk so. Oh, master, we didn't slave them. Now I can't talk so. Okay, good. Una see that petit, I want pause am. Una see that petit where the jeggy hand so. Una know what the jeggy hand. Me I tell you what to make the jeggy hand. Bad divine be complain before the video one end. Bad divine go talk. Bad divine be complain say he there for Marumba for Meme. All the fight at them along, Asawana them along from a Kombesote German for Marumba. They fight, they fear fight. They already phone a woman them every day. They don't want to bush. They beat their asses them. But the divine say so. If he die today, they don't say I'm if you can catch his eyes because it's no fight and no day. That boy now. So if I say point, so you say you be combined. You work for me man. You work for which me man? Who's me man? Who's money the work? Now two people. But divine be complain. Say the only boy where if he don't turn, he used to be for God. Say don't turn all that petit frère one. So he give a commander. When I say Ikeku talks away, and if Ikeku say Ikeku, we Ribon will fight. That one I talk about play. We mean or see me so. He be talks away. Ribon will about make will about fight, but not for video. He said he want make us say each picky one take commander for inside men who go training. He go send them for one side. When they go fight, means a 5 battle with military, they come back alive. Then we'll send them back. He'll get the position. That's what part of the talk. He said because now. Military last time they can't ride for catch he run, he get lucky. They can't have food for that pick you hand, less more picking. Because wait, there was no guard. They be incoming, nothing fight. Now the rest is on ground, man, tell now. And when I say that petit friend, I'm the only boy for the whole more than 15 villages them. Now only he one, be the beef for God. Because wait, he do never see the suit, he never enter position, he never see the suit for money. Now all man doesn't suit for money, now the dodge, risk gun by head, you know how enjoy American bush get the case for you. Now the one they enjoy the sweet. So if they like who be there free but only enjoy money, so they work like slave them. That's how see money it will change. And when I say divine, we recommend only the petit frère before Ike could give power. Because Ike could the active man, Ike could like picking. He don't get power, don't get age. When I know the way it happen. I want and I get a small. Now for Fue Bakundu, where they under Meme, then under Mbonge subdivision. Yeah. So una press una share button. I want to analyze the video more and know where to way. Now from this video, as we come out for this video, we go matter direct. Now begin put a pressure but allow talk with evidence plenty. Now don't look at. One for all. Okay, I go pause them again. Ike go talk say, if any man touch that pikin don't touch now all the general them. You know why? When Divine begin that position, means they don't distrust of other people them. So they will come now after because the man no very that boy go plan. He might turn away to the happen for Amber for bush. No, no, no. They regroup position as you walk up for road for now. You're both your body you sleep. It's not don't shoot you. You get to tell you now. That's what the game day for down day. So now when they go use that statement and say wait, any man when touch that pikin don't touch now all we that boy because if he no say no, the other after them will come after he. That is reality that we use that statement. I want to understand very well. I was there, I don't show and I'll she see me again. That's a reality. When I pressure boys, they tell you what they happen for day, what will happen for the place. And this place that the last AMF meeting will be Holland. The last AMF meeting will be Holland. For make us wait, make ground zero become one. Make diaspora not be able to control ground zero. That was a history of AMF. The AMF not going to fraud native, when I pressure button. And they can't teach you what to be able to know very well. If you join me, we keep pressure, and they teach and teach. Yes. I've been told as if for the teacher again at page and I've seen a play. Now we keep watch out. Now, I see pause that video again because the analyze na analyze. Ike could tell say when the leadership will draw abroad that he just give advice. He said when you strong, if we say strong, when I was strong, now who make you strong that fool? You know say everybody cry today. For say they empty nose, don't forget what I for Nigeria they suffer. But when I begin here with today, someone know the bitter to go with it. As I narrate story, when they get the old video for their own mob, begin to hear the pressure button. Now on your read that so, you don't say I cover myself now. Now that's what cover my face. So when I see it talk now for waiting, Nike could have option to talk. Nike could make that speech general. He said if you must like it talk now about divide say belle. My the so divide belle real big over money chop and so belle fat. My the five word you have to talk am. It could use on statement. I want analyze that statement for educated boy them. He talk say waiting for that place. He talk say if I'm in boss now for that place example. He can all man sleep or all man run. Them two no go run because there be no people because waiting. Now when I fight and I give them that power, I give them that money because waiting. When you pack your gongo, you surrender. Who be capable? Who be divine? Who be opopo? Who be all the rest? All them they go run because no get no man they get to say go kidnap, go stand for road, go plant bomb, go do this way, go die. That is the reality. When I get that sense. Now when I will be slave for them. When I get sense, massa. Well, the boy them. At the camp. Okay, good. Una see about that rasta so no? Now that rasta way so. Now be those songs I call say Rasman Onyema. When they say don't run everybody for Sawana, now bongo one pikin they call it per second. Now in that so see there for Buna Maki fine. And then when I see the guy so we red so for back, we spray head so blue. They call say Awuza. Now when Amber they be catching for road, go kill, I see some video they put it for bush. They finish with Amber versus Amber. It can be even some people they will see more often go be tip or machine go sell them. That's what they think. I don't make live because about that petit frère. If you say follow this Akamari, go know about the story. Press share button. Okay, good. Now pastor this. Now pastor that's what they talk. Now pastor, una mark your face. Black leg, una mark that boy face. He did Douala. The pastor so now in this. Why be refine the picture? And we get an end that so that pastor to general pastor we keep talking waiting. He keep get house for boya we don't build upstairs house. When I catch that pastor, he go show like keep upstairs house for boya where they eat bill am. Because he could be work hand in glove, they be the thief. You know, you get to tell you now that the pastor that in a Douala na in this so. Who come so stand so na in this so pastor. Blal on a mark and fire on a tap on a good phone on a more sunshiny. Na in that pastor, general pastor, na in that so. Na in this so pastor. Na in that una pressure button. Now I want analyze against something. Divine therapy say, as he be commander, may not say first 5 bullets na he go take am. You hear what he tell you? People say he must die. Una hear the map now. Because baby door, you know, guys, you don't even know. Divine put am say wait to make am be. Divine get position wait to make her the guy D. Una hear maybe he got. When if he sleep, he get will turn at around. When see am may take the bullet. So that may he shoot it to miss sleep for ground. He put different man the next day. This thing a last man standing. And the rest is that way for inside. And then the guy saw for here with the blue, I mean green. So you now see face where he come out, say come back. You now see with green. If they call say, now that so they call say Obase. The guy na picking for Ekombe Liongo inside Bamuso subdivision. Like Ekombe Liongo picking, it's like Ekombe Liongo. I see there for the up to now. He got to cut from Bonge, Ekombe Liongo. So one time we don't teach me, she says, when a lawyer, when a majesty be free, a normal criminal rascal. If you know they Ekombe Liongo, say wrong way in Nigeria because all that stuff, so I don't destroy all. We never wipe any way pass today. They already begging. No pressure button. Now pass that the pass where. Nike could talk so eh. Oh. I want to look the man for you fine. Wake up my face on your remokube. Now in that phone, I begin watching. The after we'll talk about it for last. He go stand up for up. Now pastor the talk now, so general pastor now mark your face fine. Pastor, he dey Douala now as I tell you now mark your face. Una block all air, go catch you. General pastor be tell una so na in down na the tongue now so. They be put you waiting. E1 major general, E1 a coordinator, E1 spokesman for AMF. One general get more than how many positions they talk about waiting. Una pressure button una here. And installation of all the departments of AMF. So, una don't hear how we call AMF now. For install all the department of AMF. I be telling a live here people guy yesterday where they want to give divine position. And I will know from here now from this video where they be want to put all thing in place. Well, master, oh, on a pressure, I need share. If I don't see share one time, 7 to 100, 1,000, I'll just end the live broadcast. I don't play the video again. I need share. I need share. So I tell una so, I need share. They look at the thing, education, teach una oral history. Then I know the one pressure. Una pressure. Na spiritual dey tie their life for dey set up. So all I talk about spiritual, that food for the diaspora. I know no spiritual pass me. Maybe I dey one place. Na here don't boss for yourself. Una pressure. Now on your reader stand so for up the so-called side lock your face now. Side lock your face. Now una say me don't stand out there now. Now that so now say televise. Now press share button. I don't even need to play and go far. Una kill look see me for the corner. Now divine the talk so the late the divine on Kukumai see the food. Now begin look out now see me fine for you as I show now. Now look and fine. See the population now. So I thank you very much. Now don't see that video. There for a platform already post them. Now say I want to say what coach people dey so you know life for plenty grammar. The live person just digest all things. I just come and some people if you watch that video just sell everybody talk, maybe don't know the talk. Now also be Ikeku, I don't show na Ikeku, spiritual, pastor, show na divine, that way they are alive. Here all the talk they talk, and see me inside it. Yes. So the thing I say waiting. Me I tell now waiting be that mission where it is for that place. Now for create AMF. If you didn't that day, and I didn't have appoint people for their various position for AMF. Now, when I say my cover I face so now on your Mokube, where I be telling us waiting, where it come for Ambada for in cover I face. Now, know why? Because it be aware and it know so which is doing a very bad thing and it know the consequences for being a terrorist. It understand the reality. But the only reason I say if you want that money, it become inside because it see the money inside Amber because Amber na business. That is what I see where it cover a face. Now only one cover a face for all man for day. Because it can live normal life population. That is why when I see someone where they shoot to put down for gutter, you know if you understand what the way it happen. Maybe if you don't say, hey, that man I know say, but you don't know how it be innocent because you don't know. Okay, sit down you already cover a face. You never ever know it. Now until when they be kunkumized, they be catch you, that don't show life about you show a face. That don't see. Because the people that will be able to see face and know who be he, who don't operate with he. Because it be only get that confidence for people that we will be now top, they don't say no, it end within we. Man tell the gospel truth. He never ever give me no fight. All that picking themselves for this, so you tell us who be a mediator. No. I know they make more for tell you. Plenty general don't give up for this fight today. They show me, you don't know mediator in face. I tell the bitter truth. If you overtrust Ike could be one of the backbone for Dian and Meme. Where even spirit will be the fear, divine be the fear. Because of the boys that get on ground. It will be get boys, will stand up in the shake. You know if you stand. We will come on, you know if you stand. Any group of Galena we 4 or 5, no man is stand. They pack and for they run. That squad. They no. They lay expert for the doing. So that is the reality. What is the happen while we cover a face. Now the year that I tell you now that pastor man, now that immediately they work for the take all that money then. Now they want to give divine position, divine deny that very day. When I see that very day, who come out that very day for Fue Bakundu, who go direct Mato. That very day will go Mato. That very day when they shoot the video, when they make that video for that hall, will go Mato. When I would decide to wait, machine don't take gun, I don't tell on that today. So when they go take that gun back from machine. Unfortunately, if you arrest machine, bring it back. Can't lucky. Because machine being a one or people that MF2. Man, tell the gospel told story. Now from here when divine dies, I come out. The person plan divine scenes from this video. Man, tell the gospel truth. You don't hear no. Mountain lion, let me feel for camp because they will fear. Mountain lion, one black tar, man, tell now. They be give a big for happy because I want them. But they be fear because they don't get heart for waka for road. They thief na thief. So because them they fear for camp. All the Gabonese they work with so-called IG because of the benefit. Because if we do nothing. Because from that they will get to cash out with them. People in Gabonese will get to lay find that they will journey. Because na rata. Gabonese number who. Now only internet government people no be Gabonese. For Gabonese are nobody. It make the next they find everybody will lay as they put it down the lay because are nobody. They don't even know to the talk. So they be fearful camp that very day. Because we just the diaspora over control we immediately to a map that for somebody they give that money or they contribute that other money for millions upon millions in the chop. More I tell you the gospel story. If you work from here, from Southwest from Northwest, over the inside 4 over was away all the original the inside. I therefore get nearly all the general that number for ground zero. As I did for you now I tell you. I need to go far. I get them from my phone. I get them registered. That's the bitter truth. Because they're inside the group. People they don't ever see them, but no play they operate, how they work, play their calm day. Because of inside our chat inside group. And not always they can wipe people in our mender. Because of waiting. I be there inside. They need to put any kind of mindset that group. They need to put normal elegant soldier. They need to put you your level, model level where they look and they get confidence before they put you for day. But in a game, tell people who will see that game will vex. Or deny we don't like the kind of game. One I put people they go die every day. Now they make una money. So now from there, when divine die come out, they be one key divine I will say wait the one give position for finance so that you got toxic divine don't embezzle make they finish with you. But divine be wise he deny that position. He deny when I say that right there, he talk he deny it. They give different position. So they look if man give finance. Financial that if money go to pass enter maybe now be chairman overall. He and pastor they control all things. They go draft fight, they go do this. Where he tell they come off of back, pastor he take it to say that 3 people then pastor immediately Ikeku no try that squad. He tell they see that man there so spiritual say me they finish that man. So spiritual now after divine for Asawana Mateuna for inside Meme as a whole. After divine na spiritual. After spiritual na opopo. Na general in that for inside Ndian. Meme County. Meme area. And in that way they control where they top them. Any other one that just sub one small picking them. Ma tell na. Above the law na small picking. Ma they tell na wait so we dey because waiting. Spiritual divine may not say spiritual na a picking. Spiritual they give all kind of money. So if we give people power, people don't ever dethrone me. That's why we know. We don't ever know say this game doesn't last man standing to be dull. I said now other ballot we don't keep people they enter for you. When the map is saying na naseweti. Opopo then be calm because wait spirit to tell people to make people no calm. You understand? So that he go fit talk something or fit do some kind of thing. Because we already plan all things for back say when they end divine come out, spirit will climb. What does spirit will say? It be supreme general spirit. That name, anybody know guys, if you are the lie, he will tell you to be the lie. Mawe answer that name is supreme general. Na divine if answer that name. After divine fall, before spirit can take that name. Why be the spirit take supreme general? Even if they fight that position. When I see the map way there, before he plot, they finish with divine. Now, spirit will now climb on top divine position. Opopo climb on top spirit position. That's how the map be there. Now, Opopo to look at you say no. If spirit to fall for down, it work like to now connection because now not forget say spirito with Ikeku they will fight themselves before the short while from 219. Now see serious fight them too. Did come the one, did come the one, come the one, did come. Now we know very well. Now why know it happen? Because of it, Ikeku come open the cat talks here. Now spirit to make her the key divine. Spirit of vex it. It don't sell it. There's spirit not struggle all way. For say if he paint the name fine, he struggle now for food the other fighter them. Yeah, Opopo will become like backup. For can support him in the fight Ikeku. That's what the map be there. Man, they turn on the gospel truth. That's what the business they play out. They kick people that begin 5 for grande. Amber versus Amber. The one that see Spirito, Ikeku vex, he go for Kwaka, he go white DMX and Ultram for ground. Amber versus Amber. One know very well. Now the reason that from divine it died because of position. Because Spirito, no one here gave Ikeku to see the money one she don't talk. It was okay, mom. She said, I'll be a private mammy no. Go see. The rest start kicking that says Spirito never steady for journey again. Because Ikeku fit enter the YP. It will go in and out, in and out. It hide like this in. Now I may Spirito now go be in camp for buy fuel, for back that technical school. They begin some camp for the way. I'm in camp for the or if I'm a camp for the wrong go back. Now when they say could be vexed in that journey. I mean fuel back undo. It go burn other houses them for them because wait. Those houses and spiritual houses where Spirito will give benefit for them. Maybe I tell them a bitter truth. I say could be burn all those houses then. All those houses are Amber supported they benefit for this thing. And I say, why they could not burn all the whole houses? It could burn other few houses. None of them understand the reality of what it happened. Thank you for the video. I want and I want to understand the background history of what it happened for educate the diaspora. No, nothing. It make noise. Now the history that you could enter. It's a spirit of since you just want to fight me. It could come personally for the fight right inside Zeni. I mean, say fuel baba kundu sorry. Spirit to run. The rest could verse bomb other houses. Because one can feel spirit face to face, spirit to run the fight. Because spirit don't ever stand with them before. They don't beat that truth. It no fit. They put them too fast. They go kill it. If you na born and robber no, na Cancun, you don't even know. Na Cancun, and they get squat. We will be that people for their body. They say could be spirit to be run for your life. Opo one come. It was more people delay because guys spirit to go YP. Might turn on the map. Now, for the now, spirit, he can demon and Opopo see the reality when it happen. It to play, cat fine. It work, it work. It work give information about Spirito, the baller with Spirito. Opopo participate because he know say now after Spirito don't come out, he no get rival again. He no get no man to compare again with he. Now go climb on top to now. Master money they inside now. I talk now with now you know to I talk. Now, what you make Spirito start get problem? Spirito chop no less than 100 and something million just for a few weeks and months. Where people they contribute money give for all that area. Mateo now, I be telling you the smallest money where each place contribute them for that area gives Spirito now 40 million cash by okay. I know you say cash for your hand. Not talk of the other one them. Now the other one they vex Spirito. So money they inside. Now when they say wait, people to say no, where Spirito come up for game. No matter if he grow for that area, not only he. Now above the law, the YP yesterday, the YP I tell you now, the YP for Bole. They wipe almost 4 amber them again for when you get trouble. For their control, they so I mean, if you wipe them, take so one guns of them. You know, you did yesterday, but they tell not to have on ground. Then for inside this inside the Quran side, the wipe some amber them again. What are they how many again? Yesterday, they wipe them. Not been an out to the car poster for here, they wipe them. Every day that they sleep for ground. People the element of that media work there for ground. I can't work that work for ground. No work all week. Paul will challenge me. I be a boss. Take lecture. I be telling you, talk for my friend, make noise. They put me on the first half. I don't bet, I don't tell you waiting. More get like broadcast me and you the fear, you the run. Me and they talk and they walk for ground. And for me, they see me, I walk for ground. We are the king, master planner. If you want challenge me, come for ground. I'll wipe you off for one day. You know, say people don't say you be man boy. Now me the control, man tell that because we money for now. For the hospital, you know get used. Me, I get influence inside Fako, Meme, Nzian, and the very Kumba. Paul you know talk for Kumba, but me I talk Kumba people go yeah. Paul you know do it now. How na stupid so? Paul you na picking. Paul you know fit before Kumba. You know fit, but me I go Kumba. Go and joke, come on, me back. Paul you know fit do am. Now people they hear for me when I talk to Kumba people yeah. He collaborate me the pass for Kumba. I wipe them. They be who? I don't play they go hide now. I don't go have for them, move for them for game. Me, now we control the ground. I get bigger influence. Now stop when you give money in a poor man. He live now sweat. But they wipe them every day. With them going to make empty mob. So that the true history that for wait till it happen for that very day. That my way play. Now see me, I should not be quiet. Me no, I don't hang me so my own side. Every day for my days I when I should let. I just look me play the so. That's why I should not me. But now when you shaking that work, you know saying a bad beef. Don't shake her. So now the issue that happen for that place. When I say population of now, I guarantee I say I swear my brother there. I get on a start story hotel now. I say population of that picking the so now. You know why better. If they remain, they not reach 50. I swear to God. And they not reach 30 when they remain alive. For that beach when I say so when they alive. When they alive, they not reach. They don't die out of fear. The one way gets small sense, you don't wrong and surrender. The one way see door, you don't wipe her. The one they for bush that video, they not reach 27. For that very video, I see that camp population. We will play more than close to how many hundreds? More than 500 for that place. Oxide so all cut and short. Oh, get it, they cook chop. Orang them, we go fire all the man tell them must surrender. Me have to for chop, I said the chop. I don't know how that get me. Because it tells you menstruate, they chop, who my child menstruate. And then if you get me just around there, man, they know. So that's not every day. So that is the history behind that video. Now from there, now they send we for Mato. As we go Mato, they send a power divine come and say, me machine boys, they ambush we key all we. Unfortunately, when I pass the work that work, when they tell them they beat that through the second. If I see small picking there for back, I don't even understand what did happen and repeat them. I will know all the game how they pass. That is why I want to tell all Amber boys there for every video to watch me today. That is why you see Onyori Mokube struggle always for kill me. Where I not doing nothing. I don't ever put my face for me. I don't give no information. And she don't be quiet for my place. As I don't want it again. I come on me. Nyaka on my food. I want to come and take one petit from my hand. Strong fighter. So would go me and you by force. Put it for this surrender. Today the glad today fine. When they be here, I say I don't check so no it. They say me I don't need police. They will kill me. On your research, they text me, threaten my life, and he can't call, can't team till they define me. They take my picture, they all send out for all the black guys. They say, "I pass Okumba Road for boss, they see me, they hold me, they kill me." Send out for Bamenda. Who said no send out? I say me. What is one petit frère? He did not Bamenda. My tak. He don't give up. He call me so they say, "Bo, master, I see a picture send out for group. Say, "Mo, me the fire the ball we use. No get for live. Say, don't leave the struggle. I be dangerous. They get for finish with me. All that kind of stuff." I say, "Bo, don't reach that kind of level." I be sign culture one. I saw Ken Bomb. She doesn't like that kind of level. Me to have level fight back. I don't know, but she don't quiet. That from there, I start do one or two things. I decide to put my face out there before I meet a countryman. Now, even some fighter for asset that if I go Solomon, now I give me countryman a number if I can't know countryman. I don't even know no place. I just only walk the way they do. I say, no, I like to get cut off that ground before you send me with you. But you don't see me for here. I don't ever think I want to tell you that I want to understand. Because if you don't say me, I know plenty. When I stay, you go destroy them. They start struggle for fight me. That is why I look and say, no. When me I know all the game that everybody play for down, they say this in a business. And the people are picking they die every day. That should not be quiet. When I see they follow me again for play a day, me say, well, as someone don't give me 5 francs. Una know, una fit be aware. If they not chop am, I don't get one clothes for my skin. Where if you tell me say, na so struggle buy me the clothes. 50 I don't get. I say one clothes. Say that this so struggle and a lie. No one. And then the only money we could ever give me for land at 10,000. And I didn't St. Clair be die. We don't go for the poison run, you can like it. We don't take more than many million work and give. You give me na 10,000. What is the person say get okay do? I say leave am. We don't give me only 10,000. See so no suffer. Just take am, just take heart. Because it's getting a backbone and me I foot to foot with the work money can give. I don't know when I was to enter here that they give me na 10,000. Let me to fire me 2019. Around September 2019. September 2019, give me 10,000 for inside DNA. Now, all of that food ever give me, but don't give ganga million so far so. But that all the money every time me say, it don't give me way. And now I sweat. But it's okay now. I'm money say 10,000. What I can give million, take 50 million, take Sam. My brother, they suffer people so far. 50. I don't take them. The people they come kind. People they run million, they chop million, they enjoy, but not get it close. But they come people their way. If you about to reach, ask them. If you get to go some place where you get a mission for go take money, he gonna convoy, he fear for go a few people there. He like about Musa side, he must send news. I need 3 fighters for that side. You know the call Clovis must be there. May go die. The fool. I be stupid now go die. Clovis must be there. You must be there. He like gonna for side, they must find me. I'm gonna go for there. Go escort them for front. May you not die, may me I die for a place, may they chop money. When I see how the game day, and then when I show me quiet, I say I woke up. So now I'm just okay now. Since I don't make me I fight back too. Since we una say wait TV, any man decide to leave here, I want fight back, maybe to a fight too. More fight the fight, or we see how the win now. We not cry now. That's why the crowd. That's what I see that the crowd something about luck because they know that they count everything and food. Now what is also waiting? Fight at the day where they don't fight the same fight with me. But they don't get no one idea what I get. That's the bitter truth. You people don't even know what to do because the boss they block them. They don't get no idea. Some picking them say that camera surrender. They say the Bible. They don't know the Bible. It always stand up for in front. They don't see gun for in front. No, not hide the pass. If you let us know, come there for if they carry you, go show you all control, go kill the other one or catch them. They don't know if it tell you what did happen from behind the boys them. Because we work with the hand in glove. And we dig all the secret them. And she don't be quiet. You know, I mean, no plenty. See when they finish with me. They even investigate one of the center. Will start fight. I said they can't get on with the back. When they ask for the food and money. I said, not even know what they have back. I don't even need to talk about that one self. The one don't pass. So I want to make them understand you to watch me today. And they be ever think am. I be not saying that they work now. When I find an empty fight, they use you now. But I should not be quiet. Say, okay, since they don't take for them, I start fight them. But after I can't look against all the suffer. People they die every day. Do want to die every day. I no fear. I sacrifice my life for now. What today? I don't fear nothing. And then even think of 100 means man pay me. I put my face, my willingness. Up to today, my willingness. That is why still I do happiness and joy. I feel be for life. As I, most of them are that time every day, don't get me problem. The stuff there plenty. My experience plenty. Yeah. My struggle is my experience. My suffering is my experience. My suffer where I don't suffer. Now where I bring them out for educate to them get sense. My sorrow where I don't get them, I pour them out for now. When I know the thing where people don't pass through. My pain where I don't suffer. For the struggle, for life. Now where I bring them for now. For bring my pain, for make them for now, for be something very positive. That's the reality. Now my pain, I the cry of my pain where I pass through. I the cry of my pain when my brother don't die. I the cry of my pain when my people they don't die. My people they still die. They cry at that pain. I they bring that pain for una front when I see the reality and the truth. Nothing more, nothing less. And then that's why they go cram. I tell you time and the date and the people that feel they see them every day for day. I tell them what happen for day. That was a true history about that video. Now see me on that video. That is the thing. And they bring out my pain. My suffering. My people. I don't know if you understand. Until you tell now. But you know what? I thank this God Almighty. Because I believe so now. If I dare, two I don't say man. The last two I serve on my eye. I turn so. I ask myself, say what did happen? Now two incidents. The last fight with me I fight, Prince and Claire 4. Before I come on leave this thing, I be get food. I might tell now a little something. Okay, narrate. Tell what the car for that poison, wait to be poison, who be poison. I go narrate to now wait to pass through. I remember that one for Bakery Beach, for Bakery Market, we go attack army for their camp. We come off for night. You want make around 3 o'clock, so one go ambush them. It be now inside 2018. Yes, 2018. It be now inside September, October. I mean September. Yes, September. Inside September, I go for October because for before one get the so-called. It been I think 3 days before the so-called Amazona independent ever full people that say independent. It been 4 days. It's not around 29 or 28 like that. Yes, 28 like that. Or we go somewhere to hear the idea. We go attack for that place. Now for so one go take order that gun them, go use and go boya for my trip to 2018. That was the name. My trip to Boya. Now the easy that. We there for day. We fair one reach for road. One soldier go shoot for air. What go for road foot. He shoot boom for air. I said, the man, it's in a bad signal. I stand up. I check myself. I say, why the man where I going for explode? It is shows in a very bad signal. So people will die plenty. They say no. So I say no. Courage, more go. Carry yourself. Toko. Reach for day. We enter fine inside their camp. Why they for guys why don't sleep? We enter out she don't know their camp. They for backside block that backside na carabot. Backside their camp. When they done now with this, will back their camp face to face. Man, they tell us to see which people behind the get which. Back gun, Thompson collapse. One the whole collapse. So one the whole man tell that they cannot bomb the whole arm. I'm bad with that thing. Why? Because people are fresh air, but tell that. We take board to put some put petrol. So you go light and shake and Emma for that they are 12 set. That for that the whole board to hear the plan for that fight. That 12 set, that a machine gun the plant away there for go back. We say we gonna their power that. We'll take that 12 set, at least that AK they will know how to approach them with them. Here our own madness will say no enter. You got 12 set, so you bullet the big. Na big machine gun the way na that 12 set. So back then, also now so you wait what about we are targeting for MM direct for that 12 set that maybe bomb that man for them make come out. You understand? Then we target them, my brother. As we reach for that place, you know what's happen again? As poorly educated, we walk gun they will hold am. Stupid boy, they no get sense. Gun explode for back their place where the struggle now will engage most starter. And that bakery na see what are they for corner way back of the dinner anytime of flying boat beef come on. We fly boat, going to of flying boat, non-stop now so take all week. Became madness. And that happened one way in, one way out. I was just telling a small story. I was just start and I was just cut and half. Now, my brother them, my country people. As that army the year go, but lucky Sam must have more live here now. Sam, my don't train now. Now my never say don't train. When I live also diaspora I make am. My brother, as soon as we don't reach, you don't reach 2 seconds. As at the quality. I mean say I men then ha. They be wait on a waiting. Sam. When that plane no get network, no man be call because never don't book the antenna for the non-network no day. Communication not ever day. Sam, no man be even know the plan. We just open up for nice, just call man say come. We go to the information. No man be aware of the go mission. No man be no play the go. We gonna want make some information leak. Sam, Papa, hey, I say no make second. Master some petit fait de ma corner. Now. Massa, I was see up running and catch his hand and hold. I say, "What go outside?" He said, "Guy, don't bat." I saw be saying for Abba. See, me do what I did. I saw be saying for here. I just stand for here. You go communities. That man is just for the down now. For here now, you know who will fight out. I hold that stand for here. He said, "Gang, I beg." I take it gun. I said, "Give me that. I'm gonna give me." I said, "Give me that blood. Then give me. I stand up for day." Me as my colleague say, "Luma." Man, look that picture. I pressure button. I want show that the boy. Na pressure button. I just bear on me small. Na pressure button. So that I just finish with this story. So that I will enjoy them. Na pressure button. Na pressure button. Na press on a share. I sure say I get 100%. I sure say I figure out my picture for here. I figure out picture for here. Now press share button. Uh, now press share, now press share, now press share. Shh. I sure say I get my picture for here. What is happening? Luma, on pressure. Anyhow, when I come with that live broadcast about the petit frere, I want make me popular. I'll tell that my picture. Yes, I did for them my other friends and for life. So me and you there so he sleep so he stand up for war. Me he stand up so he back so he gone there so me I did nana so with all my skin the show for that back war. That be the two do this and wing wing fing. No tell us so my bullet. I saw the palm. It's if a pop. It's if a pop. We are here. You wing. He said, we are wing. I saw the sound they come on. Wing. Boom, 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 massa. I don't know how I talk. Some people they shoot some people they run second around. Now I there for that play me. I there bam, bam, bam. I said okay, boy. Only talk that petit frère. I said, boy, I beg for some granite them, some granite bullet. He said, I know give you. Do I know correct me, massa? I want to turn my eye, because people all man do vanish. Now me and that petit frère remain. Now I want to eye. Do that tell now so? I did so. But I don't know how that pull a pass. When any juju they be there for a skin. If you get no less than 50 juju they wait there for a skin. All skin at juju, right for a foot so all at juju. But I doubt it they are all here too. I doubt how manage that bullet pass. Taking up for here. Now me, I know how he die. He turn so me eye. I say, hey, now wait till me eye. He turn. Or I say he run. I say me wait photo. Boom. You just cover everything down. You mean now all that. I run to a cash break so I look at me one. I struggle for me. I saw that petit frère. I say, "Bo, come my back." Mo carry the man by lucky. So stick with this so he pass for under like jet. Why? This I tell her, so I know another bush beach fine. Now as the one come on, I don't make how many seconds, my brother then. Back up already come off for water. Be steady. Massa. They don't carry that boat deck. Massa leave them on Upsa, no fit more pack for draw. Now only gunshot them. Massa I run as I come on over that Becky road. That army they block the Choya. Now God I boss back for market. Now the border plane na Watana Island. Did I tell now? I guess the only option get for enter that market for that Matanda. See so far. If I go back for road, they will catch me in hand. Okay, today I leave Manchang for that beach. Manchang shoes. And then nothing I talk. When not there, I don't hold that go my hand. So I say no, these guns are not leave. I more one eye pull for my skill. But I say anyhow way there I'll hold that one. I say no. If it's the one, I'm a man tie hard to my back. So one catch my hand. At least the one play will save me. I fit turn. I wipe up the skin. If that shooting, no shoot, at least it go 1 for 4 for guy where it go delay. Then I will continue. That's what my map be there. I enter that play water. That monster cover me. I woke up for up. I sleep for that mud for that matanda. So that's what they. I start Christopher under. So the electron for that boy. Let's sleep for under. Don't get that. So anyhow we don't know. That boy will pick me say die to them or not. People say catch me hand. As I prefer say me bullet now. He kill me. I say I'm in catch me hand because it go bad. Me the pain no go easy. At the gear so they enter. So the go master. I mean they see throw away after that bush. So they I never know plan to go. So they one go now see some woman. They say I got the work. That woman the one cross for go for the other creek for their canoe. They meet on me. I see them. They come. I don't hide. They tell me say I break the sun. I stand up for you. And the woman as soon as I go, he say the one they come out now for go take their canoe for cross. But what I don't cut. The one come because I go on shot to the fear. I say okay, mama, when I see me now for here, I don't know me. No road. I don't boss you. I don't know play to go me. I'm the one block up and no road have to pass for that side of the day. I'm going to enter that bush to save my own life. I said, when I show me the road, to say, okay. Me, I go. I said, no man let it go. I be realize when I leave the woman, they go, maybe they go tell Amin and say, me, I don't pass, so they tell they go block me for road. I tell them, for here, no man let the shake. I put all the on gunpoint. That's what I do. I don't lie. I put all man on gunpoint. Any man, I tell them, they don't shake, but they shoot them. I said, when I make ping, for you, I wipe you. Shake, jump, you go for front. They start go around picking and show me where I know do not just fighting. They come over. Meet us of other group of parliament them. I tell all the sons, I see on the for you know. When the company, the group, I take all man for day. When they go on the fear, I say, hey, pass. If I pass, it pass. But I say, oh, now go. Waka, ote. I look at so that you also when you walk out for bush, it looks cloud. They don't break. It look cloud. You say village just so, this side just so, did you come this so. You know, say left hand, you go now for any side if you go, you know, come up for play army the day. Right hand, you go for play the day. Man, they tell you a simple truth. Now I enter inside this bush, empty food. I go at the LA crash. Oh, Luma don't die. Hey, Luma don't die. Hey, my petit frère. Hey, Luma. Hey, Luma. I know very well. All man feel say don't die. By the time I beat out to the worst stand up for road, it can't look. All man don't come back. Only me one because they already run with me. I know they me and Luma no day. They already shoot 2 people. Pan and heart they shoot it for this thing. How they shoot it for a Shigo? What today fully paralyzing Nigeria. They shoot them 2 already. They carry them to go. Now they don't see me and say, hey, me say me and Luma don't die. You know I already died. That was the story. If I was just remember for that bush small, lesson 3, lesson 4, 4 hours a day dark, we don't say them to don't die. All of that guys already die. Because all the fathers already been at the church, all they know say I already die. They know say me I don't finish. So my own do end. I walk a bush, I go boss to the next village. And she done all my food all done, chuku. And she done down, over suffer, she done. I look place. As I walk and now food. I mean, some other fighter now we already getting the whole call for the other village. So battle we take people, big people don't die. They carry those people. I say, boy, hey, therefore you're gonna come say don't die you. So they don't see you. I say, Papa, you see me, so it not be easy. Oh man, don't run leave me. Now for them, I come out. They carry me on top bike. We can't live free for day. Oh man, they talk for Luma. Tell us, I see what you. It's just Luma that don't laugh. I say, Luma don't die. I say, see, Luma don't die. Luma die for my front, give one of my front. And I began to take die on gun, but when it be day. I say, Luma die for my front. Now me I day. Now let me have to what you happen with. I mean, now all that it finish. Chakara so they can't carry. Now that means they can go bury him. All man leave the corpse today. That was end about his life. Today no man don't think about it. His own blood brother, when they come out one mommy, one papa, but let me go punish me. Very wicked young man. They very watch me live. I be tell you how with those one guy, this petit frère, they will pass to Cameroon and wipe you. They say they can't surrender. I need to beg you. Changa Luma is a very wicked young man. That petit frère leave girl Bele, his own blood brother. But that guy died leave ordinary phone for that small girl. They know it. That young man should take that girl pass. You know about who? But that girl is born now the other brother. When they come one, they go on one papa different mommy. Now he take care for that bikini by we own small sister. But he no get time. But that way that petit frère will die. He that big brother, he be there alive. He give one belly. That petit frère sponsor that belly. That small brother will die so. But that way die. Family catch a che. Better than that one. That changa Luma for die. May Luma be alive. You know what you mean? So better say the family to say. May that man die, then the man for their life. Say God is taking a better thing. Young fine petit frère. I'll show that like I can't talk about poison. I'll know wait. I'll bring that picture, bring the story more. So I said it happened. Second one, I'm not saying I don't go. Now for Bongo Bamuso subdivision. Where it may be easy between we and Minity confrontation. Minity work on a foot. Officer don't broke bridge, so no go pass. They come na foot that it may be easy. We and the Bongo. Saint-Clair, if we don't give all human sacrifice, forget Odeshi. It stands so. The Trump was so no way. Chowe and Chua, me and Trump. Or as he shift. Ote my gun be freeze. I run out my coaching of the event fighter. It already run. Go over run now. When I look at him, then they shoot it tight. Nigeria eke na gun them that. Thompson are going to hot. Until the hot. Hey, Thompson hot. You put your hands on a bone. You know if you hold them again. You put your hands. You know if you hold them again. You know if you shoot them again. You mock and go you. You shoot Thompson. The hot. You know if you touch them again. Touch that they burn your hand to a pin. Local made them. People made it go down. I don't know what's that thing. Rubbish. Who come on now? I mean, don't anchor my boy. I'm not telling the ball bitter. That's another round go. I mean, so there for 7 meters. And they call it's 5. Me and he 5. That's why I'm in the shake. You know, just down there to catch me now hand. Now God just look at me the shake. So that one that he come now, if you say me I don't see that, according to the say me I don't see that I shoot. Massa. So they climb so Papa I now what am I waiting? I play ping. Means I turn. Me and Sanclef, bow our head. So they wipe our soul Sanclef head. He fall. They woof for his skin. Can't meet up if they take that bossy eye. Look at me, and now this is like people talk. Maybe to catch you how you understand. They say, "Verman, now you this." Now that they shoot you boom. If fall, I see me till he come now. He turn that gun now. Tum 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 tum. Bullet finish off with it. They leave it shoot out the village. Make back back. They don't finish. They can't meet up in our ground. We don't tie to mud. That kind of thing run now. Where they shoot you so overpay. You are running for lamba. You are going tight. You see that arm they come. I just turn the gun and say anyhow way they may try best. No say already go in. You shoot tum tum tum. Gun finish. Bullet end. Bullet finish at the gun to the Thompson. That was all. They can't catch now and they draw it, they bust the iron, so poof, with knife. Poof, poof. Maybe one keep people, they leave it for granted, that gilet, keep going for day. So stupid one to say government. I can't lie, Bukato, I'll bring other picture of now. The stupid one they say poise dog government. I don't stand for all. I see what they do it. So I wrap my hand, look what they do it for ground. Hi, I'm shaking my head. So I said I'm a lumu so. They don't get time with me now after the cash one, they really don't cash the whole colonel. So they look me so. They are tagging I mean I don't glad. Government say one go take that guy gone. I say, Sema tell you, I'm in the road just down. Me, I don't see me and I'm out there for day. God save me and survive. He die. Now me I be get for that very day. But me I don't survive one. If you go there, they'll catch you. That means they don't anchor for bush. He holding mad trances. The water they are gone there. That means they fool to come on go there. And the last part I cut so when he just come on go there. I see go take and they live here. He enter facility. That bro won't put up for a man. As I go to see that man don't sleep for down, we don't die. One go take and don't say we shoot now. I mean, you don't say now forget to get hot for your skin. I say okay, oh, go now. I don't stop to again. I one granite for my skin. I don't hang two. I say you granite on my back up. I don't fit go shoot one and then remain empty gun. No nothing. No dey. I say no fit. I stand up. I look. I dey for down here. I dey for every day we ride the worker. I say okay, go. Here that car they leave it fine enter 5. I say what touch that gun there. You want make so. The match I said, I know so without you shoot, you must drop and so you rock and then push and then burn and now before you shoot. Before I make that thing so, must leave and I talk. When I just talk, when I go punish you and mommy the others, but go punish you 100 times. That's why Sam, I said, not make second, massa. That boy is smart. They dive in a diver. You never shoot here, papa. You want me now? Sam, massa. I look that minute. They say we gilet, we gun proof, loaded gun them. That meant some 10 man at 10 man. They dive in a diver. Before I make that, before I shook a rock and make a lock up before you lock. That second already put your hand since. 12 for grand, Ash Massa. You know, you understand now when they put you on if you know what if it happen. And then if you tell now what it happen. Now if you understand what it happen. So when I leave down at tune and they make noise, the man never take your eyes, see him. Amber now. A batting. Amber na balok. Now listen and listen good. Now bad thing. You ain't even think of going and don't even try a mistake. Sam, for the generation time, this thing will ever happen. It won't happen. No better say no. I sacrifice my life, may not happen. Try na balok. Sam, Igwe, I thank you. I thank God. Now if you understand what you do. So when I see the food, they make noise. And me, I therefore I will destroy Ambazonan terrorism. That is my mission. Because na balok, na business, na game. They don't get no man at heart. Now, person I share button. So, end the live broadcast. So, now I just can't educate you now. I just share some little pass. I don't get them. I don't laugh small. I don't catch more fun. Yeah. So, my only problem I beg you, I beg, press share button. Now for your own good. So, I thank everybody. I thank Igwe, the country. I thank all the black legs them for their support. One or two, because as many platforms grow, may everybody get knowledge if you come back for house. Now, don't forget this thing as psychological warfare. That is the reality. We get right for sensitizing boys and they will regain their sense. While we know one time, free kumkum, it down no soup. That is the reality. I want to tell you now again, the solution is then for you where to watch me now. No because Cameroon government in hand. Now me and you, each community will stand up to stop this nonsense. It takes now only one man for any place to destroy all today for your place. You give the latest information if you get them, it remains secret. That is the reality. Thank you very much. Now press my share button.